back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So I did a Walt Life unboxing about a month ago, a little over a month ago, and you guys seem to love that, and I said I would do a follow-up video on my second box just to see how it works from box to box, if it's really great on the first one to get you hooked, or if they continue to give you really good things. So for the first box, I actually was higher up in the subscription range. So the last one that you saw was called a magic box. And now this one I downgraded to a classic box. So I get one less item, which is definitely gonna make a difference. I could already feel that it wasn't that heavy, so I know there's not a mug in there. Maybe the mug is like the specialty item that they add to the magic box or something of a similar price. But hopefully there's still good stuff. And in the first box in the last video, I said that I was female, and I guess that means they'll send you more female type things, which is stupid because everyone likes everything. But this time I decided to go with neutral, just to see what they would give me if I didn't choose a gender preference, just so you guys can see that. All right, let's get the box out. And if you have not seen the first video, here it is, right over here. Click on that, watch the first one. It was very, very exciting. I get a little bit overly excited because I love opening things, especially Disney things, and I just love surprises. So let's get it. Here it is, guys. It looks the same as the other one. Dreams come true. I'm nervous to open it because I'm gonna see everything for the first time right away. Okay. Oh my gosh. The first thing is so exciting. It's a hat. Oh my god, I don't have a Mickey hat. Oh, it's got little paper on it. Cute! What the heck? It's adorable. It's navy and red and perfect for the 4th of July, which is coming up this week. I don't know when you guys will be seeing this though. You're probably gonna be seeing this after the 4th of July, but how cute. I'm gonna try this on. All right, my hair is now down. Let's see how this looks. How cute is that? Oh, you gotta take the tag off. I'm keeping this. Ow. This is so cute. I did not know they sent hats and like clothing. Oh my god, amazing. Love it. Should I keep it on for the rest of the video? Nah, you can't see my face that well. I'll put it backwards. Mickey Mouse. All right, let's move right along. I'm making a mess, but it's fun because it's for Disney. Okay, I don't like how this looks. I'm gonna just take it off for now. Oh! Oh! Interesting. I didn't think that they would send me ears. These are like very cheap quality ears, it looks like. Hold on. It doesn't seem like these are the kind that they sell at the parks. They're super, oh! I was gonna say they're super weird and flimsy, but look, they do the thing, the sequin thing. They flip. Oh my god, how fun. Pink bow. Okay, that's not very neutral, I would say. I don't know. I mean, it could be neutral, but I feel like maybe some people wouldn't like this if they don't like pink. $16 for this? Probably just because of the sequins. Holy moly. I can make one ear silver and one ear black. Wow, okay, let's put it on. I don't have that many ears. Aw, these are a little bit large for me. You know, like I feel like the bow is almost too much, but I don't know, what do you guys think? Do I rock them? They're so like not sturdy like the normal ears are, so that's interesting, but I like them. I enjoy them. Not bad. All right, I'll keep these on. All right, next up, we've got some Belle Jellybeans again. They love giving me Jellybeans. How pretty is she? Adorable. Sorry, my ring light is making it very glary. It's the Enchanted Mix Sparkling Jellybeans, not just average Jellybeans. They've got Sparkling Berry Blue, Sparkling Blueberry. Why would they have a berry blue and a blueberry? Isn't that ridiculous? Sparkling Bubblegum, Cream Soda, Orange, Sour Apple, and Very Cherry. Exciting. And finally, oh, how fun! Oh my gosh, an Ariel face mask? I didn't even know they made this. By Mad Beauty. I really love this box, but I have to say, I don't know if they got my preference update, but I would not consider this as neutral items, but that's okay. I was secretly hoping for like a Stitch something, maybe in the next box, I don't know. But wow! Why does it make it Ariel? Oh, can you see in the little corner? There's like little shells that are on it. Maybe I'll just do a face mask so you guys can see it. Okay, I'm gonna do a face mask later tonight for some self-care, and then I will show you guys. So here's that. And then finally, I got my little coin, and like I said in the last video, you can collect all of the coins, and if you spell out Walt's life or Walt life altogether, you can win a trip to Disney World. And if you just spell out each word, you get smaller prizes. It's pretty cool. This is awesome. I'm very happy. The last box definitely had a lot more things, so I would suggest the magic box, but if you just want one small little gift, $29.99, this is awesome. And again, guys, this is completely not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. They did not ask me to review it. I am just reviewing it on my own, and these are completely honest opinions. So here's the coin thing again, if you didn't get it in the first one. Now I have an A and a T. Maybe I'll get 2 more boxes to see if I get a W and an L, but if I don't, I'll just get frustrated. I don't know if I'll keep this up, but it is fun. Oh yeah, I'm dropping everything. Cause like, do I really need more Disney apparel? No. Is it fun to receive it in the mail? Absolutely. Maybe my next box, I will unbox it and then I'll give it away to one of you guys. How does that sound? Does that sound good? I know it's risky with everything and the coronavirus, so if that does happen, I'll make sure everything is completely sanitized, completely clean. I'll even wear gloves while I unbox it, guys. If you want that, I can get that for you guys next month. And I hope you enjoyed this short little video. And I don't know, which item is your favorite this time? Last time I got a lot of things, and this time I got a lot of things that I can like use and wear. Like especially the Jellybeans, and then these ears, which are so not my style, but you know, maybe I'll give them to somebody. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about them yet, but the hat, this is gonna be worn this weekend. I never had a Disney hat, and I love it. I love it so much. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I know this wasn't as many things as the last time, but I think I'm gonna go back up to the magic box and unbox it for one of you guys. So, let me know. Bye!